Hi, my name is Sunny Sharma and I play Subir Mehra in It's Complicated. The first thing that I noticed when I got called for this movie was that it's a Bangalore-based story, and Bangalore is my hometown. So when I heard about this, it was extremely exciting for me because there are not too many movies made on Bangalore, and it's a very interesting city. I know it because I've lived here, and there are so many different facets to this city, and I think this movie also is trying to touch upon those certain elements, but of course the main importance is on the IT industry, and because of the IT boom, a lot of people say that Bangalore has bloomed or developed into the metro it is today. But the IT has had a lot of its side effects, as to say, and you see the roads today, jam packed. There's so much traffic. The infrastructure in Bangalore is a little weak, to say the least. Apart from that, I think also the kind of stress and the kind of lifestyle that an IT industry uh, has at the present is sometimes a little unhealthy. So well, it's all these topics are debatable, and a lot of things about Bangalore can be spoken about at length. But for me, this is a city which I don't recognize, you know, any longer, because when I was growing up, Bangalore was an extremely peaceful place, and people used to call it the Garden City and the Pensioners' Paradise. And I'm sure right now, if you visit MG Road, no pensioner would like to take that road. So yeah, it is a city of contradictions. You have your Brigade Road and MG roads, and then you have a Sarjapur as well. You have your Kant areas and Cunningham roads and everything, but you have your Banarghatta road, which is extremely populated, and you know bad roads, traffic. Um, you have your Shivaji Nagar, but at the same time you have the UB city. So Bangalore has a lot of different sides to it, and I think in this movie what we are trying to touch upon is the IT industry, and the IT industry through the eyes of these characters, and through my character Subir Mehra, who plays one of the IT bosses, and clearly he's extremely unhappy with the condition of this city, but he's trying in his own ways, in his own style, to bring about changes, and yeah, it's interesting, extremely interesting.